Hi everyone, in today's video we are going to walk you through a step-by-step guide on how you can simply create a Facebook ad account. A Facebook ad account is one of the assets on Facebook business account through which you pay Facebook to run advertisement on their platform. So it means that before you promote anything on Facebook, before you run any paid advertisement on Facebook, you need to pay Facebook for the promotion. So it's just like a kind of a bank account or your wallet where you put in the amount of money you want to use and promote your business, you promote your brand or sell whatever thing you want to sell on Facebook. So it means that if you don't have these assets called ad accounts, you will not be able to promote anything on Facebook. You will not be able to run any paid advertisement on Facebook. And even if you have this ad account and you don't have fund, you don't have money, you did not fund it, you will still not be able to run advertisement on Facebook. So having said that, to create Facebook ad account, all you need to do is to head over to a browser. It could be Chrome browser, whatever browser, but make sure that the browser is logged in to the Facebook profile that is attached to that your business account which you want to use and create the ad account. So on a normal, any Facebook profile, whenever you create a Facebook profile, it comes automatically with an ad account, but we are not doing it in that way. We are doing it in a business way whereby the ad account is going to be attached to your business account. So that is the angle we are taking it from. So to do that, make sure that your profile is logged into the browser you want to use and access this business account. So once your profile is logged into that browser, then head over to business.facebook.com. So here we go. You type in business.facebook.com. Mind you that you already have your Facebook business account. So when you get to business.facebook.com, it takes us here. Then you come here, come to this meta suite you are seeing here. So you make sure you toggle. If you see here now, if you look at this place, it is a page that is being selected. A page is an asset, is one of the assets that is attached to this business account. So you toggle here and make sure that what you select is the business account. So and our business account name is Pivonet Venture. So always know the difference. So you know the name of your business account so that you know which one you want to attend to at any time. So what we want to attend to is our Facebook business account, where we want to create our ad accounts. So you select this Pivonet Venture, which is the name of our Facebook business account. So when you select that Pivonet Venture, the business account, then you are going to see business assets. We only have one asset, which is the Facebook page we created under this business account. So you are going to see this settings icon here. So you click on that settings, just the same way we created page. Sorry, the same way we added page to this business account the other day. So you click on this settings. So when you click on settings, it's going to take you to this dashboard here. You are going to see users, accounts, data source requests, and other features here. So you click on accounts. Click on these accounts. You're going to see pages. We've done that. We've added pages yesterday. So you see add accounts, business assets group, apps, Instagram account. What we want to do is add accounts. We want to create add accounts. So you can see add accounts here. We don't have any add accounts currently added to this business account. So we click on add accounts. So when we clicked on that add account, you can see here no add accounts added. Add add account to this business portfolio so that you can manage all your business assets in one place. So we proceed and click on add. Click on add. So when we click on add, it took us to this place. You can see what you want to do: create a new ad account, claim an existing ad account, move the ad account into the business portfolio. Once claimed, you can't remove the ad account. So request to share an ad account. All these things are self-explanatory, just as what we did in adding page yesterday. So we click on create a new ad account. If you have existing ad account, you can just claim it, type the name, you now request access. If it's your own, you don't need to request access, you just claim it automatically. So we click on create new ad account. Here is very sensitive. Why I say this very sensitive is because there are some people that have tested running Facebook ad. They ended up spending so much on ads because they didn't set the currency. So some people may not take notice of this and allow it in dollar. If you allow it in dollar, you are going to spend so much that you get tired of running Facebook ad. So it means if you leave it in dollar, you always fund your ad account in dollar. Whenever you want to fund, you have to convert to dollar. You fund with the dollar card. So the stress is not even here, and the charge is also going to be far higher than when you set your ad account to be in naira. And once you set this thing, it's not changeable, you cannot change it. So that's why you need to be very careful while setting your currency here. So okay, let's take it bit by bit. We name your ad account. You can name it anything, and mind you can have multiple ad accounts. Maybe you are running multiple advertisements for multiple purposes. You might decide to have different ad accounts for them. That doesn't mean that you cannot use the same ad account to run for them. It all depends on you. Just that the funds in one ad account cannot be used in other ad accounts, so they are used independently. So let's say Pivonet ad account. That is just what I want to name this for this tutorial purpose. You can name your stuff anything you want, just for identity purpose. So you set your time here. You can say Africa. You can type Africa or Lagos. Yes, this is our time zone. Just select Lagos, Africa. Then you set your currency. Make sure that you set this thing. If you are in Nigeria, make sure you set it to naira. You can see how I'm scrolling. Scroll this way that I'm scrolling. You can see how I'm scrolling. Scroll. That is if you are in Nigeria. So it's best to just set it to your currency so that you will not suffer exchange rate. You can see Nigeria here, Nigerian naira. So you select it. So I've set up everything correctly. What I do now is click on next here. When I click on next, it brought us here. Okay, who will this ad account be used for? Okay, this ad account will be used for my business, another business or client. So maybe if you are creating it for your client, you can select the second option, but this one we are creating it for our own business. So we select that and click on next. Then the ad account will be created and added to Pivonet Venture, which is our Facebook business account. So we want to associate this asset, which is this ad account, to our Facebook business account, which is a Pivonet Venture. So once we confirm that, you can see here agree to Meta terms of service. So make sure you tick here before this place will be highlighted. So you now click on create ad account. Okay, you can see ad accounts created successfully. Would you like to add payment info? Okay, we click on done. So you can see that we now have one ad account here, Pivonet ad account. So guys, we have successfully created our ad account, and in the next video we are going to be showing you how you can fund your ad account and how you can add payment info, which you'll be using to fund your ad account. See you then, guys.